Have you noticed these lost shipping container videos completely taking over social media lately? They're literally everywhere right now, pulling in millions of views with what looks like a simple concept. But here's the crazy part that almost nobody is talking about. This niche is still incredibly unsaturated. Most people haven't caught on yet, which means there's still a huge opportunity to jump in before everyone else does. Just look at this Instagram page. It has gained over 28.8 thousand followers, yet its top videos have already reached 2.8 million, 3.3 million, and 1.1 million. That's not normal. That tells us one thing. The algorithm absolutely loves this type of content right now. And before you think this probably takes hours to make, let me stop you right there. I created one of these videos in less than 7 minutes using completely free AI tools. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my entire workflow from start to finish and show you exactly how you can create these viral lost container videos, completely free. No expensive software, no advanced editing skills, and no complicated process. So let's jump straight into it. The very first thing you'll need is the master prompt that I've already created for you. You'll find it linked down in the description below. Once you've opened it, copy the Idea Engine prompt. Now head over to Claude AI. If you prefer using ChatGPT, that's perfectly fine because it works great too. However, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use Claude AI. Simply paste a prompt directly into the chat box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, Claude will generate 10 completely unique video IDs for you. You'll get ideas like the frozen time capsule, the ghost yacht's cargo, and many other curiosity-driven concepts designed specifically for this niche. Now, maybe none of those ideas stand out to you, and that's totally fine. Instead of wasting time trying to think of something better yourself, simply type more, hit send again, and Claude will instantly generate another fresh batch of 10 brand new ideas. You can keep repeating this as many times as you want until you find an idea you really like. For this tutorial, I'm choosing idea number 14, the fashion house heist. Once you've decided on your idea, simply copy it. Now head back to your Google Docs and copy the shot-by-shot cinematic scene generation prompt. Paste that prompt into Claude along with the topic you just selected, and hit send one more time. Within just a few seconds, Claude will generate 5 fully written cinematic video prompts, each representing a different scene in your story. Every scene is already structured with detailed descriptions, camera movements, environments, lighting, and everything needed for AI video generation. In other words, Claude has already done the hard part for you, and your prompts are completely ready to use without needing to rewrite anything. Next, copy the prompt for Scene 1 and head straight over to Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, choose the video generation option. After that, select the aspect ratio you want for your video, whether it's vertical for Shorts or horizontal for YouTube. Then choose the Veo 3.1 Fast model. Now simply paste your Scene 1 prompt directly into the prompt box and press enter. Within just a few seconds, your very first cinematic scene will be generated and ready to watch. Now, here's one of the most important tricks that makes your final video look smooth and professional instead of feeling like a bunch of random AI clips stitched together. Scroll all the way to the end of your first generated video and use the Save Frame option to save the very last frame. Once that frame appears in your saved images, click on it, press the 3-dot menu, and choose Animate. This allows Google Flow AI to continue the story naturally from the exact frame where the previous scene ended. Now, go back to Claude, copy the prompt for Scene 2, paste it into Google Flow AI, and generate your next clip. After Scene 2 finishes generating, repeat the exact same process again. Save the last frame, animate it, paste a prompt for Scene 3, and generate the next scene. Continue repeating this exact workflow until all 5 cinematic scenes have been generated. It's honestly one of the easiest workflows you'll ever use. You're basically copying, pasting, generating, saving the last frame, and repeating the process, while the AI handles almost all of the heavy lifting for you. Once all 5 scenes have been generated, download every single clip in the highest resolution available. After that, import all of your clips into whichever video editor you're most comfortable using. Arrange the scenes in the correct order so your story flows naturally from beginning to end. If you notice any small glitches or parts that don't look quite right, simply trim them out. Then add smooth transitions between each scene to make the entire video feel more cinematic and seamless. Once you're happy with everything, click Export and let your editor render the final video. And just like that, your viral lost shipping container video is completely finished and ready to upload. That's the entire workflow, from idea generation all the way to the final export. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and incredibly fast once you've done it a couple of times. If you found this tutorial valuable, make sure you subscribe to AI Xcentra because I'm constantly sharing the newest viral AI niches, powerful prompts, free AI tools, and step-by-step tutorials that help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. New AI opportunities appear every week, and I don't want you to miss the next one before it becomes saturated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.